Welcome to BellyBreath. This meditation is here to help you ease stress and anxiety, tuning into your breath, visualizing calm, and letting go of what weighs you down. With a gentle practice, you may find yourself feeling more relaxed, positive, and centered. Find a comfortable position where you won't be interrupted. Allow your eyes to close or soften your gaze. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and each exhale. Let your breath flow without trying to control it. Take a moment to notice your jaw. If you sense any tension, simply acknowledge it. On your next exhale, imagine the tension gently melting away, your jaw loosening. Inhale deeply, drawing in fresh, clean energy. Exhale, releasing any fear or heaviness. Take another slow, deep breath. And as you exhale, let go of any worries you've been carrying. Feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation with every breath. As you inhale, envision a bright future opening before you. As you exhale, allow any sadness or heaviness to soften and drift away. Imagine a gentle wave of peace washing over you. Breathing in calm, breathing out tension. Allow yourself to rest in this growing tranquility. You deserve this moment of peace. Feel yourself opening to fresh energy and new possibilities with each inhale. Picture abundance filling you, as if your inner cup is overflowing. Visualize yourself vibrant, energized, and full of life. Even if it feels distant now, let yourself touch that feeling, just for a moment. Imagine yourself as the bright, vivid center of your story. Every breath strengthens your determination and fills you with purpose. Stay here. Breathe into this joy and possibility you are creating. Notice how negative thoughts naturally lose their grip, shrinking away like scenery fading in the rearview mirror as you move forward. Let go. Move forward with ease. If worries arise again, simply notice them and gently set them down by the roadside, watching them vanish into the distance. Breathe into the clear, open space within you. Feel the calm, the peace, the renewal. Allow positive, vibrant thoughts to take root within your heart. Feel their warmth and light lifting your spirit, guiding you gently toward joy. Now, slowly bring your focus inward. At your own pace, Gently open your eyes. Honor yourself for creating this time of self-care and inner growth. Feel the spaciousness and strength you've nurtured. Welcome this beautiful, peaceful energy into the rest of your day and your life.